Ever wished AI could not only lighten your workload but also put money in your pocket? Imagine getting paid while improving the future of tech. Stick around. I'm sharing 10 legit websites that actually pay you using AI tools. Let's get smarter and richer together. What it is: a chatbot platform where you choose between 2 AI responses and explain your pick. How you get paid: earn up to $50/month via scratch card rewards, redeem for cash or crypto. Why it stands out: simple, fun, and impactful. You're helping refine AI while earning money. What it is: complete small gigs like tagging images, transcribing audio, or writing captions. Payment model: small tasks pay a few cents each, but you can scale with volume. Why it works: flexible and straightforward, perfect for side hustle seekers. What it is: join a global community helping to improve AI via text, audio, image, or video tasks. Earnings: paid per task depending on complexity. Why choose it? Contribute to real AI projects and earn while you do it. What it is: create custom GPT-based chatbots and monetize them via subscriptions or usage. Why it's unique: build a tool once, earn recurring revenue, no coding required. What it is: a platform where creators earn when users download their assets, now includes AI-generated content. Why it's powerful: passive income streams from graphics, icons, templates, and more. What it is: use AI tools like InVideo to make ambient or niche videos. Think fireplace scenes, cozy montages. Success stories: creators claim earnings of £20,000 a month. Why it works: one-time effort, long-term passive earnings from evergreen content. What it refers to: rapid production of AI-generated content, AI slop, pushed on TikTok and YouTube. Real results: one creator earned $5,000 a month while working casual hours. Why consider it? Volume meets automation, low effort, reasonable reward. What it offers: blogs with 1318 actionable AI side hustle ideas, from writing and courses to translation and affiliates. Why it's a resource: great for brainstorming, diversification, and pairing AI tools with monetization strategies. What it offers: Wix's AI-powered business launcher suggests business ideas, market analysis, and launch kits. Why it matters: AI-generated business plans you can act on. Launch smarter, faster. What to watch: the FTC fined AI services like Do Not Pay and Writer for deceptive claims. Why it's important: stay smart. Avoid schemes promising unrealistic income from AI. There you go. 10 legit ways to let AI work for you, not the other way around. Which one's your favorite? Planning to use AI for feedback, content, or creating tools? Drop it in the comments below. I'm excited to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more AI-powered side hustle ideas. Until next time, keep working.